Hi all, today we will see how to draw the leaves in the mehendi. Okay, so first leaf is like, see, as you can see, whenever we are drawing leaves, either the outline leaf or with vine leaf. Okay, so now you can see the first one I drawn like a leaf inside a like leaf petal. Inside I put the arrow. The second one, as you can see, with the vine I am going to draw. See, first vine and the second vine, and coming to the middle you have to drag the third vine. So always practice the vine, then only whenever you are drawing any mehendi design, the vine will be more helpful for drawing the leaves. So the same way upside down you can draw. Coming to the third one, same like as I taught in the first class, like some tricks. See, you have to make V, then in middle you have to make one line, then you can draw the leaf very easily. If you feel difficulty drawing directly, you can draw in this way. Coming to the next one, as you can see, like leaving some gaps and drawing the leaves, like the first petal and the second petal and the third and fourth and finally at the last fifth one. So in this petals you can make filling also. Okay, coming to the next one, this is like coffee bean vine, like coffee bean leaves we can say. So you have to make two lines middle and make the border, then fill entire leaf except the borders. Okay, coming to the next one, it's like normal leaf as you see in the like tree, how it will be, same like that. You can make in between inside the like you can make some lines, thin lines inside that. If you want to fill those lines, you can make filling two lines, then leave one line, then two lines, leave one line, like that you can fill. And whenever you draw any leaves, like not bold design, if you're making a thinner design, then make the outline border. Okay, coming to the next leaf, as you see, in between of middle of the leaf I drawn like some vine, then outer part is the leaf, then the next is also a vine, around that we should make a circle, then again the leaf outer part. The last one is same like vine, how we draw like teardrops we draw, we can make leaves like teardrops also. Okay, coming to the next one, from the top to down I drawn a single line, then again make a vine from top to down. This is not only the leaf, this is also called decorative elements we can say. See, as you can see, it's like dropping from the top to down. Okay, dropping the vines from top to down, and the last ending up with a big vine. Okay, coming to the next one, same pattern with leaves, not with vines. As you can see, like you have to draw either both the sides, okay, here and there. Okay, and you can fill those leaves, or you can make like shading, or you can leave one leaf and like one after another you can fill it, or one after another you can shade it. You can do either way. Okay, and coming to the next one, the same leaf pattern I am doing. As you can see, in that I am going to do what I said before, same like I am leaving one petal and I am filling it. I am leaving one petal and I am filling it. In this method, these decorative elements also can be replaced by shading or filling method. Okay, coming to the next one, as you can see, like first I drawn a leaf and next I drawn a vine, again leaf, again vine, again leaf, again vine. Leaf means like it's not a big leaf, it's like chota leaf. Okay, so coming to the next one, it's like you have to make it like U shape, how we make U shape design, no? In that you can make a vines one after another. Okay, on both the sides, either it should be on the same part or one after another you can make. Coming to the last one, the same way you can make a upside down, you can make one line, then again I made a leaf, then again you can see like bringing the line and making the dot, bringing the line and making the dot. See, first I drawn a leaf, then again like open leaf, then again I drawn a dot, then again I made a vine, then again I drawn a leaf. Like that same pattern you can continue. That's all for today's class. We'll see you on next video. Bye.